My brothers and sisters, this video can take some long time. But by the grace of Allah you will achieve some significant details. So watch this video to the end to get full benefits.
May the peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah be with you all. Salam everyone. Welcome back to the exciting world of achieving those amazing goals we've all set for ourselves. Life can get busy, and sometimes those dreams feel like they're on a distant horizon. But fear not, Islam offers some powerful guidance to equip you for the journey. Finding your why, aligning goals with faith. Sure, having a fancy car or a dream vacation is great, but what truly fuels our passion is having a deeper purpose behind our desires. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, emphasized the importance of helping others, saying something like, "The best of people are those who benefit others." So, could your goal be to learn a skill that allows you to volunteer in your community? Maybe you want to master a subject so you can become a fantastic teacher or mentor. Tying your aspirations to something that uplifts others adds an extra layer of meaning and makes your victories even more rewarding. Seeking knowledge, the foundation of success. The Prophet also famously said, in essence, seek knowledge, even if it means traveling to distant lands. No matter what your goal may be, knowledge is the cornerstone of success. Research extensively, take classes or workshops, find a mentor, basically, soak up all the information and tools you need to excel. The more you learn, the more prepared you'll be to conquer your challenges. Imagine it like building a house. The more knowledge you gather, the stronger your foundation becomes. From idea to action, building your roadmap. Knowledge is a powerful tool, but without action, it's like having a treasure map and never setting sail. The Prophet encouraged a proactive approach, saying something like, "The believer is always more active and beneficial than the one who just sits around." So, break down your grand goal into smaller, achievable steps. Set realistic deadlines. Having a clear roadmap keeps you focused and motivated, ensuring you don't get overwhelmed by the big picture. The power of community, support on your climb. Remember, you don't have to embark on this adventure alone. Seek support from your family, friends, and teachers. The Prophet said something similar to, "A good companion is like a walking perfume seller. Their fragrance reaches you before they do." Having a supportive crew cheering you on can offer encouragement, valuable advice, and a high five when you need it most. Think of them as your trusty companions on this climb to success, offering a helping hand and celebrating your victories. Dua, your direct line to inspiration. Finally, never underestimate the power of dua, supplication. Talking to Allah is a wellspring of strength and comfort. Open your heart, ask for guidance on your journey, and seek Allah's blessings on your endeavors. The Quran beautifully reminds us, and your Lord says, "Call on me, I will answer you." Remember, achieving your goals is a journey, not a sprint. There will be setbacks, but with faith as your compass, knowledge as your weapon, a clear plan, a supportive network, and dua as your fuel, you can transform your dreams into reality. So take that first step today, with full confidence that you have the power to achieve amazing things.